Hey you guys, my name is Roman, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to easily deploy your app to Heroku. So I have here a simple Hangman app, which I made in another tutorial if you want to check that out. And currently I'm running this locally through VS Code, but I want to deploy it onto a cloud platform with its own domain so that everyone online can see it. And that's what we'll be doing here. Before we start configuring our app with Heroku, you want to do this first. It's a very important step. So in your project folder, you have a gitignore file, and you just want to ensure that node modules or node_modules is included. If the app you're looking to push is React, or if it was created using create React app, it should be there by default. But if not, make sure it's listed. You do not want to push node_modules to Heroku. With that out the way, go to Heroku's official website and create an account if you don't already have one. I won't go over the process, but it's pretty self-explanatory. For role, I put in student, but obviously you should put in whatever best describes you. And for language, I put in Node.js, since that's what I mainly work with. Once you're logged in, you should be in your dashboard, and if you're new, this should be empty. So you're going to want to go to New, Create New App, and you want to give your app a unique name. I'm going to name mine Hangman RomanRenders. Create app. After that, you'll be taken to the Deploy tab, and from here you want to install the Heroku CLI via this link. Install the Heroku CLI, and if you're on Windows, you click here. We will be using Git as well, so if you don't already have that, install it on git-sem.com. Go to downloads. I'll make sure to put the link for this in the description, but once you're done downloading, which might take a while, go back to the terminal and you just want to test if Git was successfully installed via git --version. If successful, you should get something like this. And we should probably test if Heroku was installed successfully as well. So Heroku version. After that, we want to initialize a new Git repository using git init. Make sure you're in your folder's root folder. And now we want to make a Heroku remote repository for our app. And to do that, we use Heroku git:-remote-a for add. And after that, in quotation marks, we want to put in the name you gave your project earlier. So for me, that would be Hangman RomanRenders. Then we add everything using git add period, which stands for everything. We also need to make this a commit, so type in git commit-am initial commit, since this is the first commit that we are pushing. Finally, we push everything to Heroku, which isn't all that different from pushing to GitHub, and we do that with git push Heroku followed by the name of your current branch. For me, that would be master, but for you, it might be main, so you would put in git push Heroku main. For me, it's master. If everything went successful on your end, you should have all this stuff printed in your terminal. That's it in terms of getting our app set up. Now all we have to do is log into Heroku using Heroku login, press any key, login, and just run Heroku open. And voila, your app has been successfully deployed to Heroku. And it now even comes with its own domain that you can toss around anywhere, be it your website, YouTube description, Instagram bio. You can even customize it if you don't want it to say Heroku app through the app settings on the Heroku website. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you were able to gain some value out of it. Stay tuned for more great tutorials and make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys later.